Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you how to add event in your iPhone. Let's get started. For this, the first thing that you gotta do is go and open your calendar. Now tap on the day that you want to set event for. Here, let me just select any random date. I am here selecting 7. Now, here you will see the times present. Select the time of your event. I'm here selecting 3:13 p.m. Then after tapping on the time, you will there get to see title, location or video call. Set the title of your event and the location. Then you can even see the start time and the end time. Do it accordingly and then select done. Doing this, you will have your event set on your iPhone calendar. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.